What is up, y'all? Billy Mac here. Let's take her out. Let's take her for her mating voyage out here in the backyard, shall we? There you go. Whoa. Crashed it. Let's see what I'm doing wrong. I got a lot of learning to do in this thing. Guys, if you like this video, don't forget to give this video a big old thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Hopefully we don't get to do this out in the river. That sucked to crash out in the river. Talk to you guys in the next adventure. See ya. I want to give a quick shout out to my first Patreon, Mr. Christopher J. Welcome to the Billy Mac team. If you want to join the Billy Mac team, it is as simple as $1 a month. Go to my Patreon page. All the information is right there. Link to that is in the description down below.